guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time coming across my channel, this is Dima's Lifestyle. Welcome back to another beautiful video. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys along on how I made this refreshing watermelon and pineapple juice. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So I've actually washed this watermelon and the pineapples. So make sure you wash your watermelon and your pineapples properly before cutting to avoid germs in your juice. So this watermelon tastes so good. It tastes so yummy. Particular juice is very healthy and refreshing, especially when you make it at home. At least you know what you're taking in your stomach. So yeah, and it's good for the hot weather. It's good. I'll be using my blender for this juice. So even if you don't have a juicer, it's not an excuse. You can actually achieve whatever you want with your blender. So stay tuned and see how I achieve this refreshing juice with my blender. I will also add some chunks of ginger, because my kids are also taking it, so I don't want to add much ginger to it. And this pineapple tastes so yummy, and it's so juicy. It has a lot of juice on it. So I'm done cutting right now. I'm going to be transferring them into my blender, and I'll be blending them batch by batch. Okay, for you not to spoil your blender, unless you have a stronger blender that can carry a big load. But for mine have stayed for, this is my old blender. So the blender have tried, and I don't want to give it a big load, so I'll be blending it batch by batch. So after blending, I'll be separating the juice from the pulp for you to get the actual juice that we are looking for. going to save this twice. I'm going to use my wig cap to remove the remaining pulp. I know a lot of people likes the pulp, but I just like its plain juice. So that's what I'm trying to do. So this is a new wig cap. Please don't come for me. Oh, yeah, it's a new one. So I'm using it to strain the remaining pulps from the juice, and voila, our juice is ready. And I'll be chilling it. I'll put them in the freezer to get chilled. I like it when it's very, very chilled. Guess what? I made this juice with a token of 500 sefa. That is about 1,250 naira. That's what I used to achieve this juice. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.